Hi guys, Neil from N.P. Detailing. Another video for you live, well live at the minute, not when you see this, from Stonor Park down south. We're at a car show, weekend of Supercars, Saturday and Sunday. I'm here checking out the cars with my products, selling my products here, N.P. Detailing down south. So I'm just walking around checking out some cars. Check out the video, don't forget guys, hit subscribe, hit that like button, and add some comments below. If you got any comments about detailing or anything, any questions you got to ask me, put them down below and I'll see if I can answer all of them for you. So, cracking on, check the video out. Thank you very much guys. So I've got this Maserati here today. I'll be hopefully doing a paint correction on it, a very light gloss enhancement. Customer is a chap I met at Brooklands and Auto Italia last month, and he's selling this car at this show, and I've asked him to come down, bring it down, and I'll give it a once over with the machine polisher. Hopefully enhance the gloss. Amazing car. It's had a lot of attention today, and let's see if this car sells. I'll let you know at the end of the video. Anyway, let's have a chat with him. His name's Dominic. He's the owner of this Maserati, and we'll have a chat. Right, so this is Dominic. He's the owner of this fancy Maserati that he's brought down today. Thanks for bringing it down, Dominic. So what do you think of this show so far?
So thanks, Neil. It's been really good show bringing the car here. Lots of fantastic cars to see around. A variety of exotic machinery, and also some nice little old Fiat 500s as well, which always generate a bit of interest.
Yeah.
Great to bring the Maserati here, and effectively have it on your stand so that people can see a nice Italian car, and also the ability to what happens when you give it a nice clean, and the potential for making it look even better.
Well, let's just hope so. That we've had a few technical issues today with the electricity, but let's see what happens, and hopefully we can make that happen at the show this weekend at some point. Beautiful colour. How long have you had the car?
So I've had the car for 11 years. Initially bought as a small experience, which we were going to keep for like a couple of years, but just loved the whole experience of driving a V8 powered Italian Grand Tourer rather than effectively a noisy, harsh supercar. And it's been a fantastic experience, and that's given us lots of opportunities to enjoy some great driving experiences really around the country and in Europe.
Brilliant. So I met you at the Auto Italia Brooklands Museum end of April. That's where I met you. So I've decided, come down. I'll give you a treat. I'll treat you today to, hopefully get your car shined up for you. And you never know, you might sell it today. Let's see what happens. But just talk me through, what would you say the best bits about this car is for you for the last 11 years?
So I think as soon as you actually sit in the car, there's just a smell that comes from like the leather, which just takes you into a different world. Almost when you get into a new car, it's got that new car smell. This car's 22 years old, and it still smells special when you get into it. Once you fire it up and the engine's like purring away, you realise the V8 engine, and that was a core thing for us, that we wanted to experience a big V8 engine. And certainly the driving experience is amazing. It's just the power never ever stops. It just keeps going, and you run out of road basically. So that's just been really good.
What's the standard brake horsepower on the car?
Oh, I think it's more than I can remember, but it's something over 300 and less than 400.
Wow, so it's got quite a bit of an oomph to it, I'd say. Brilliant. So what's making you sell it? Have you got something else in the pipeline?
So the car was always about an experience, and I guess after 11 years, we've still enjoyed many experiences, but the past 2 years, we've really not used the car enough, and these cars like to be driven. So it's time for someone else to enjoy the experience, and I don't really want to sell it, but I'm happy for someone else to enjoy what we've experienced over the past 11 years.
Thanks for bringing it down, Dominic. I'm hoping that we can get your car shined up for you and sold, maybe. Let's see what happens.
Yeah, great. I'd just like to thank you very much for giving us all the advice that you have done on getting the car into a state where it's looking as good as it does today. So thanks very much to you and all the products that you create.
Brilliant. Thank you, Dominic. So guys, I've got some really good news and I think Dominic's gonna tell you about it. Check it out. Over to you, Dominic. So what's the news, Dominic?
So big thanks to Neil on having such a fantastic spot here at the show. We had a couple of family of 3 come up, having a long look at the car, went away for a cup of coffee, came back and have given me an offer subject to test drive, which everyone's really happy with. So good luck to them. I'm sure they'll enjoy the experience and I'll be sad to see it go. And thanks to Neil for basically sharing the experience with us today and making the car look so good. Thanks very much.
And I've not even polished it yet. Imagine if I did polish it. Anyway, it's all good news. Glad Dominic's sold the car finally. It's off his hands. It can go to a new home. Brilliant. Look at this. Toyota Celica. Sorry, Supra. Looks a beast. Hey guys, thanks for another video. Check it out, all the cars in here were amazing. You know, millions and millions of pounds worth of cars here at Stonor Park. Thoroughly enjoyed myself. Big shout out to Dominic with the Maserati and Tony, who's a part owner of the Maserati. We sold that car good and proper today at the show. It went for a bargain, and whoever's gonna own it has got a really decent car. So Stonor Park, first time here, N.P. Detailing, sold a good amount of products, met some amazing people, had a good interview as well on that stage by the house. If you see it right in that corner there. So yeah, don't forget guys, if you like what you're seeing, there are going to be some more shows, N.P. Detailing, polishing, cleaning cars, everything else. Thanks for watching guys. Catch you in the next video. Don't forget, hit subscribe, give us a like, add some comments below. If you can name some of the cars, name them down below. Let's see how many cars you know out of what you've seen in this video. Thanks guys, take care.